Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So the topic of today's video is Linux Mint Cinnamon, Mate and XFCE. Which flavor should you choose? So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, as we all know that we have number of Linux based distributions out there, and in each Linux based distribution we have several flavors as well. Same goes for Linux Mint. In Linux Mint we have Cinnamon, Mate and XFCE desktop environment. So I'll compare all of them, and at the end we'll see which one is better and what are the different things each desktop environment offers. Well, as you can see in front of you at the moment, I am using Linux Mint Cinnamon Edition. Cinnamon Desktop was developed by the Linux Mint team, and clearly it is the flagship edition of Linux Mint. While they say Cinnamon is the most modern, innovative and full-featured desktop. So here you can see this is the user interface of Cinnamon, and in here if I go to my application menu button, here you can see we have different applications and we have a very nice and sleek look because we only have the icons, and in front of icons we have the name of those applications. And on the left side we have some applications that are docked and you can access them from here right away. For the power option we have a separate button in here, and if you want to log out for your session or if you want to quit, by quit I mean if you want to shut down, you want to sleep or you want to suspend your system, you have an option for that as well. Let's go to the files manager. Here we also have a very good color combination for foreground and background, and we also have some nice icons with their names. And I will just close this one, I will right click on my screen, and this time I'll look to change my desktop background, and let's see what do this Linux Mint desktop environment has to offer. As you can see, we have several options to choose for our desktop background. You can choose anyone from in here, and on the left side we have Uliana, Ulisa and UMA as well. So you can go with any category and you can choose as per your liking. Now the most important thing is about the performance of this system. Well, as they say that it is the most modern, innovative and full feature desktop, so obviously it will consume a lot of resources. Well, to check that, let's open our terminal and I will write here top and hit enter. So here we have all the information about the system, and as you can see it is using almost 655 megabytes of RAM at the moment, and I have only opened the terminal into my system. You will be surprised to see how much RAM other desktop environment will be using when we will talk about those. So I will just close this one, and that was all about the Linux Mint Cinnamon. And now let's move on with the second desktop environment of Linux Mint, and that is Mate. So this is the Linux Mint Mate edition in front of you. It supports and have the GNOME 2 code base, and it also has the GNOME 2 based application. As you can see at the look, it feels very similar to the GNOME 2. In my opinion, the best implementation where you will see the Mate desktop is Ubuntu Mate, because in Linux Mint you get a customized version of Mate desktop, and that is in line with the Cinnamon aesthetics, and it is not completely similar to the traditional GNOME 2 setup, because if you see, in Cinnamon we also had these icons at the bottom left corner and it gives you a look of Windows 7. If I go to my application menu button, if I click on it, and in here as you can see we have some of the application and we have completely different user interface. As you can see we have some of the applications, their icon and their name, but we also have some of the descriptions about each application. As you can see, for terminal it says use the command line. For displays it describes as change resolution and different other things. On the left side we have some categories of some repositories, like we have home folder, network, desktop, mean you can access these directories directly from in here. In terms of system, we also have some of the tools that we can use directly from here. If you want to go for all the application, here you have a button that says applications. So I'll just click on it and let's see what it has. So here you can see now we have those categories that we were talking about, and those we had in Linux Mint Cinnamon. And here you can see we have again icons, their names, and also we have some of the descriptions for each app. So this is the main difference between the interface of both these desktop environment. I will just get out of this. I will right click on my screen and let's see if we have a desktop option from here. Yes, we do have. So I'll just click on it and let's see what does this Linux Mint environment has to offer. So here you can see we have more number of backgrounds available in Linux Mint Mate than we had in Linux Mint Cinnamon. And in terms of theme, we also have some of them available in here. We also have fonts and interface, but we did not had this kind of interface when we were in Linux Mint Cinnamon. Now let's talk about and let's see what are the resources that this particular Linux Mint use. For that purpose, I will open my terminal and in here I will write here top, and here you can see this version of Linux Mint is using only 520 megabytes of RAM. And if you remember, in Linux Mint Cinnamon, we were using almost 650 megabytes of RAM. So that's a really big difference in terms of the resource usage. And if we talk about the Mate, they say it is the more stable and faster desktop environment. And that was all about the Linux Mint Mate. And let's move on to the next one. This is the Linux Mint XFCE edition, and this is the last one for Linux Mint operating system. Well, this is a really good one, and it also uses the less number of resources than the Cinnamon. And they say that Linux Mint XFCE is the most lightweight and the most stable version of Linux Mint. So obviously it also means that it is very suitable for the system with less number of hardware resources. And now let's explore what do we have in this Linux Mint XFCE. If I go into my application menu, here you can see we have applications, their icons, their name, and we also have some of the description about each application. But the main difference is we do not have any pinned application in here. We only have the categories of application, and in front of those categories, we have all the applications related to those categories. In Linux Mint Cinnamon, we had some of the application pinned. In Linux Mint Mate, we had some of the repositories pinned, but in Linux Mint Mate, we do not had these categories, and we had to click on all application button. Then we used to have this kind of interface about application menus. But in Linux Mint XFCE, we get application categories straight away. And if you remember, in Linux Mint Mate and Linux Mint Cinnamon, we had the power button and we had the logout button at the left side of our screen, but now they have changed it and they have moved it on the top of this small window. They also have changed the setting manager position. It used to be on the left side of the window, but now they have also shifted towards the top. Let's go into that and let's see what do we have in here. So as you can see, everything is changed in terms of the interface. We have small categories of each and everything. I will just close this one. I will right click on my screen and let's change the desktop settings. Here it is. Now we also have small icon for desktop settings. So here we have some of the backgrounds available that we can use and can apply onto the background of our desktop. But if you remember, in Linux Mint Mate, we had some of the themes available as well. But in Linux Mint XFCE, we do not have any of the themes available in here. We can only use the background for our desktop and that's it. Yes, you have some of the settings that you can apply onto the menus of your desktop environment, and you can also change the settings, something related to your icons and nothing else. We only have the desktop background and no theme in here. And let's open our files and let's see what do we have in here. So here you can see we have a very good blend of foreground and background, and everything looks very compact in here. That is not the case with Linux Mint Cinnamon, because in Linux Mint Cinnamon, we get more spacing between the directories and different categories and different folders. Well, XFCE project was started in 1996 and it was inspired by the common desktop environment of Unix. It was aimed to be fast, lightweight, and easy to use desktop environment, and the XFCE is the flagship desktop of many popular Linux distribution. Like we also have the XFCE desktop environment in Manjaro Linux, and we also have this one in the MX Linux as well. So we have already talked about the user interface, and if we talk about the performance, it is a very light and very responsive desktop environment, and it performs really better on the lightweight machines as well. So it means if you have really moderate hardware resources with you, this is the desktop environment that you can use in your machines. Now let's see how much resources this machine is using. So I will just write top, hit enter. As you can see, it is using almost 569 megabytes of RAM at the moment. And if you remember, in Linux Mint Cinnamon that was using 650, Linux Mint Mate was using 520, and Linux Mint XFCE is using 569 megabytes of RAM in terms of hardware resources. So we can say that Linux Mint Cinnamon is the heaviest and Linux Mint Mate is the lightest desktop environment in Linux Mint distributions. Now I will conclude today's video. Well, you should go with Linux Mint Cinnamon if you have high number of resources in your hardware system, because although Linux Mint Cinnamon offers modern desktop environment with full features, but obviously it uses the more number of resources than the other two Linux Mint environments. And in case if you have a laptop or a system that does not have a high number of resources and you still want to use Linux Mint, then you should go with Linux Mint Mate or Linux Mint XFCE, because both these Linux distribution uses relatively less number of hardware resources than the Linux Mint Cinnamon. Other than that, all three these Linux Mint distributions have more or less same number of features and offer same number of functionalities. And as we have seen in this video that we do not have a major difference in all these three. And with that, we are done for today's video. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon along with it. And if you have anything to ask, please leave a comment below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Till the next video, take care.